System files corrupted by the Policymanager Library DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I have the verified steps to repair your Windows installation immediately. Before we start the Policymanager Library Manual Guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the Policymanager Library, the Windows Policy Manager engine. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of local and group security policy manifests. It facilitates the data link between the registry and system enforcement kernels for enterprise configuration. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. This problem points to a breach in your Windows system files. Use the system file checker by entering sfc/scan now into an elevated command prompt, which will allow the OS to verify and restore the authentic version of Policymanager Library DLL. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Policymanager library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the Redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. A quick warning, many sites offering Policymanager Library DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for Policymanager Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Policymanager Library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.